want to watch this video in Russian, click here. Hello everyone, my name is Natalusha, and today I'm going to be showing you the quickest, easiest, and tastiest mug cake you've ever tried. So we tried a bunch of different mug cake recipes online, and we couldn't find one without some sort of flaw. So my lovely sister Grace took it upon herself to create the perfect recipe herself, and now we're going to share that recipe with you. These are the ingredients that we will need. 1 microwave-safe mug, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 if you're adding ice cream, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's all fast and easy. We mix everything in 1 cup. We take our handy dandy microwave safe cup, add our cocoa powder, the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, the egg, which has magically cracked itself, by the way, our milk, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. And now we give it a little twirly twirl with a spatula or a spoon or any other mixing device you may possess. For a 1000 watt microwave, put it in there for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You might have to adjust for your microwave though. It's pretty funny to watch in the microwave. It expands twice its size and then it just falls. But then it's tasty. Now we add 2 tablespoons or scoops or however much you feel like adding of cold, wonderful ice cream. You must eat this cake immediately while it's hot, or else it'll turn into a rock. Well, not really. Drizzle with chocolate syrup for extra pizzazz. I wanted to add sprinkles, but they wouldn't let me. This is so ridiculously tasty. Now, I'm just gonna, seal this cup and just recede into the distance. Just walk away slowly, maybe they won't notice. And now you know how to make the most delicious, most fabulous and amazing mug cake that you've ever seen on the internet, I hope. I hope you enjoyed my video, so please like, subscribe, and tell other people about my channel. Bye! Головку мощностью 1000 Вт ставим кружку на 2,5 минуты.